Yep, it's me, Jenny B, and I'm doing a different video. I'm actually doing a video. Oh, it's been a long time. So here I am, and we are going to do my makeup. So, yeah, I'm going out to dinner for a work thing, so that's fun. Earned a little dinner for at work, so that is nice. So I am going to do my makeup, because usually it's Sunday, and usually I'm not wearing any makeup unless I'm doing something. So I'm doing something, so let's put some makeup on. So I am already all clean, did my normal skincare or wash my face in the morning and night. I have the Mary Kay Time Wise, and I love it. My consultant's information is in the description bar, so check it out if you're in the United States. She's awesome. But I'm going to use my Mary Kay primer because that's what I got. Oh, look, you can see it without my hand there. Oh. So that's it. I like this primer. I have other ones down here that I like too, but we are going to do this. So just put it in my fingers and rubbing it on. Not doing anything totally special. There we go. Even the canvas. So nice. So what do I want to do? We'll actually do foundation. So I'm using the Mary Kay Time Wise one. I like this matte 3D foundation. And what is my shade? I can't even see. Ivory. Looks like ivory. I mean ivory. So what I'm going to do is use a makeup brush. So this one's nice and clean. This is from Amazon, so nothing special, but it's a nice brush. Isn't that cute? So I am just going to take my foundation and stick it on top of the brush. And I'm not using too much, just a little. Using the viewfinder to put my makeup on. I usually don't use concealer, so I'm just going in with it. So nothing exciting. I like to use a beauty blender. I like to use a beauty blender too, but it is filthy. I need to clean it. And I use I love using shampoo to clean my brushes and beauty. God, I can't talk. My beauty blender. It's a clarifying shampoo, so it works really well to get all makeup off my brushes. So here we go. Look at that. Is it on? Check my mirror. Beautiful. And I'm probably gonna have to clean these too, but whatever. I don't want to clean my brushes. Do you like cleaning your brushes? No. I usually wait. I have a ton down here. Do I need that many? No. But I don't clean them very often, so hey, it is what it is. So I think I am just gonna go straight in with my bronzer, and it is Frisky with Color Street. So see, Frisky. And you can tell I love this one because I use it a lot. So I'm just going to go in with that. And this is a Color Street brush. And I just go like in a 3 pattern when I do it, as you can see. That's the after, before, after. So that's all I do because I'm not super fancy. Or sometimes I take my time doing makeup, but not very often. I don't know why I put more on there. Well, a little glow. So that's it. And then go in with my Color Street brush. Yes, I need to clean those too, but whatever. And I think I am going to use Bashful. And this, yes, is a Color Street color. And I do sell Color Street. So if you're looking to want to check things out, my link is down below. And Color Street is available in the European Union, Canada, and I'm in the United States. So yeah, you should be able to shop through my shopping link if you're in any of those. Oh, and Germany too. Let's see, I think I have, oh yeah, Dreamer highlighter. Get a little extra fancy. And this is the color. Did I show you the color of the blush? That's the color of Bashful. There we go. Isn't that pretty? And it has a sparkle to it. Nice shimmer. So yeah, oh, that's pretty though. Isn't that pretty? So I'm gonna get my highlighting brush, colors. Oh no, this is Elf. But it has a nice, I like this one. I have a Color Street one in there too. But I love the Elf brushes. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on each side. So I have a little bit of shimmer. Can you see that? Give me just a little bit of a glow. And what do I want to do? Oh, a little brow pencil. This is the Color Street brow pencil, and it is blonde. There is 4 shades. And let's see if I can do this on the viewfinder. And I do know I'm usually very heavy-handed. But if you just go lightly and fill them in is what I do. And then I have my bald spot up here, so let's just fill that bad boy in. Here we go. On the other side, usually line underneath and then hit the end of the brow and then do the same with the top. And then just do small strokes. And then it has a brush on the other side, which is nice. So I'm just going to brush it up. There we go. And the choices. I have this eyeliner from Limelife. It is double-ended. Isn't that cute? These are fun. It's a nice eyeliner. So see what side I want. Go with a darker brown. And I'm just gonna do my eyeliner, and yeah, sometimes I just do it way too thick. I'm not the most delicate person. This one glides nicely. And I'll put my shopping link for my Limelife person down below. A little bit on below, and I think I want to smudge that. I have this smudger. I think it's Elf. Yeah, it's Elf. There we go. And what am I gonna do? I have some shadows. I'm gonna do the nudes with, yep, Color Street. I love these palettes. And with 6 shades in each palette, and there's 4 different ones. So this is the nudes. So I am just gonna go in with my Elf contouring brush to which shade? This one right here. And I'm just gonna do that in the crease. Am I messy? Yes. But don't mind me. Figure the extra fallout to below on my lid just helps with the other color. That's just me. But I'm gonna have a fluffy brush. What was this one? Eye blending. I think this is a Color Street one, eye blending. The bristles feel really good. I'm just gonna blend that out a little more. And then I am going in with my Color Street eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go in with that one right there. And then just put it all over my lid. I always put my eyeliner on first, and then if I want it to be more pronounced, I'll just go over it again. I just like to do simple, and then we're gonna go in with that middle shade and just flipping the brush over because I'm not too concerned. And I'm gonna go in So it's brighter in the corner. Ooh, a little more. Ooh, yeah, well, look nice. I like it. So let's see. Oh, mascara. And I am using my Color Street waterproof mascara. I am not going to bother curling my lashes because I don't feel like it. Here we go. So basically that's one coat. Basically, because you saw me swipe more than once. 1 1/4. So here's 2. And there's 2 coats of mascara. You see it? There we go. Voila. And lips, because yes, they look a little naked. Naked. So what do I want to use? What will be easy? So I am going to use my Mary Kay lip liner. I just got this. It is in, it says it's a waterproof lip liner in hot pink. And then that's what it looks like. And there is a sharpener on the other side if you want to keep it nice and precise. Let's see, can you see me if I do it in this mirror? Yeah. I just do the top. Ooh, it's a pretty color. Try to go in the corners, and then I start in the middle. Work my way to the edges. I kind of go right on the outside of the line. Not outside, but like on the edge, so it's a little bit overlined, but I don't want heavy overlined. And then I like to fill it in. I feel like it just makes my lipstick last longer because this is underneath, so this is so creamy. Very creamy formula. I like it. And then what lipstick do I want to wear? We are going to go in with, I don't know what's in my purse. I don't have my glasses on either, so that's always fun. Oh, it's backwards. That's why I couldn't find it. It was upside down in there. This is Dramalicious by Color Street. And it has a magnetic lid. You hear that click? So I think that's cool because the lids don't pop off when it's in your purse or bag. So I'm just gonna put it on over. That would look good with, that lip liner would be great with one of my favorites is Baddie from Color Street. Oh, look at that color. It's so pretty. It's like more of a purple. There you can see the color more purple. But we'll go with pink today. That's pretty. And that's it. That's my look for today. So thank you so much for joining me for a different type of video. I don't think I've done a makeup video yet. So, you know, something new. And this will be fun because I do my makeup, 4 to 5 days a week. So it'll have more of a chance. You see my little doggo probably in the corner. He just got up. He's wanting out, but he's going to have to wait a second. So it'll be fun to be able to have more videos starting to be uploaded. So with that in mind, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I do upload. I'm going to try to get on a regular schedule. So we'll see if I can do that. So hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I do have an upload. And that is it. Subscribe to my channel. I have fun links below, so go check that out. I have a Color Street VIP page, so if you are in the shopping areas for Color Street, which is obviously the United States where I am, and Canada, Germany, and the UA, hop on into my VIP page for Color Street. I'd love to have you. And also, I'm on Instagram. I do TikTok. Not as often as Instagram and Facebook, but I'm there too. And you'll find me at Yep, It's me, Jenny B. So I'll see you soon. Toodaloo.